tackle in this room or studio transformation. Sorry about the noise, my windows are open because my room gets pretty hot in the summer. That being said, you can see the door behind me here. It's been annoying me for quite a while. I'm considering painting that door though, because that's so... it stands out. I think it would look so much better in the shots being white. I think it would add something to the shot rather than detracting. It takes up the focus in the picture both with its color and all the polka dots. Let me take you back to how this room was when I moved in. You can see now that the walls are white. The roof here is wooden panel. I don't know what to call it in English, but it's wood. The same is my door, and my entire room, all the walls used to be wooden colored as well. However, I knew that I wanted a white room. As you can tell, I didn't bother to paint the door. That is what is happening. I don't know why I bothered to tell you the entire story. The thing is, I'm painting the door. Day 2 of painting the door. I'm beginning on coat number 2. I think 2 coats are enough, which is great, because then I can continue with the rest of my room transformation and studio transformation. But now for the paint. I'm wearing a t-shirt that used to be my grandfather's. He had a lot of them. It's Polarity Therapy. The t-shirt, my grandpa's, the shorts, my grandmother's. I'm not painting on them. I hope. Everybody, I'm back. My voice, here it is. So I started by painting half of the ceiling white. Not because I wasn't sure whether I wanted the other half painted, but I just had to put my stuff somewhere, you know, my stuff, my furniture. Didn't want to risk that the beautiful white got onto all my stuff. Although, that being said, maybe that bed might be better white. Anyway, so then it was all about moving the furniture and stuff, making sure that it was safe from any eventual paint dripping from the ceiling. Okay, babies, here we go again. So this happened. I don't really know what I want to say about this, but I had literally 2 planks left to paint, and then a situation occurred. So I finished painting last night, so now the ceiling is at least finished, but yeah, I have a lot to do now, a lot of organization and moving stuff and putting things where it belongs. And not only that, I had to find out where it's gonna belong now that I'm refurnishing my room. I'm still in my PJs. My gosh, I have so much stuff. And the thing is, I want to get rid of some of it and also throw some of it. I don't have that much trash, but the first thing I'm gonna have to do is tackle all of this. And yeah, as you probably just saw, I had a little bit of spillage last night. It actually makes me kind of sad because first of all, it's not removable, and it also left a very, very hard patch. You know, this little patch of hardness in my carpet just by the door. I was so near the goal. I was so near finishing the entire thing without any spillage, but here it is, the little So, out of my lack of words and also the retirement of my little devil hand, well, I went back to what I was initially planning on doing, which was tucking things away, putting things where it belonged, and also cleaning up, leave the drama behind me, and just keep on going. Wait a little minute. So I'm bringing my tripod, then I'm gonna tell you what's going on. I've been gone. I've been away for a week now. Today it's about a week since I dealt with this project. I'm done with work for today. I've exercised. I have made my body happy for today. I even ate a healthy breakfast. And now I'm gonna take care of my surroundings. I'm gonna keep embarking on this little project of mine. And today's mission is, you know, the dresser that you saw me move a few seconds ago. It's standing there where I moved it. I'm not gonna have it there, so I am now going to clean out, or at least move, these mattresses, so that I have place for the dresser here. Yeah, that's about it. So I am I'm gonna move some stuff here, and then I'm gonna move some stuff there, and then I'm gonna move all this stuff. Okay, go ahead. The dresser is so heavy and hard to move. You know, I think I can just get away with pushing it away with my feet. So I hope that you enjoy time lapses, because apparently I have a lot of those to serve you during this video. So you're welcome if you like those. Strong woman. One more time. So my plan now is to gather the mirror that you can see here, the tiny golden frame there. But how am I gonna manage? You know, while I am here, I think I'm gonna gather the other things that will sit that corner nicely. Yeah, so the bed looks good. Now I'm gonna tackle this spectacle, which basically, if I have everything under control, should be some clothes that I have worn and not put them back in the closet, and also some other things. So I'm just gonna put that away, probably let it be under my bed, because I have a big bed that can conceal a lot of concealments. So I'm talking way too much now, and this monologue is probably a little bit boring. I probably have cut a lot of it out. If it didn't seem that long, it's because I cut out a good 5 minutes. So over the past few years I have collected a wide range of golden frames and vintage frames from a bunch of different places, and I thought that maybe I should make some space for that in my new room after this room transformation. So this is what I ended up with. Super happy with the results. As you can see, happy dance. Man, it looks so nice. Even without pictures in it, it looks bomb. So these little fellas are actually some curtain roddy things that I hang my white curtain on, that I have used as a backdrop in several of my videos and also painted on, as you can see here. Well, anyways, I wanted to move those to the other side so that I could still have my curtain, but on the other side of the room. So that was it. Quite nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah! So my sister and I are now heading to Ikea, and this time I'm not gonna buy that much. I'm mostly going for planning so that I can see what it is that I want in my room, if there are some things there that inspire me, yeah, and make a list of things that I might want to buy. Yeah, I have a mask here. I'm gonna use it. I sewed it last week. My sister is coming now. She's going at the door. She is locking the door, and now she's entering the car. So bye bye. I see you when I see you, probably at Ikea. Then this, of course, wouldn't be a real room transformation without any DIYs. So I have 3 DIYs coming up for you. I hope you understand how I do this. In the DIYs that are a little bit more complicated, I tried drawing some instructions for you, so I hope you enjoy this. you know what happens next. I found this beautiful thrift shop just randomly with the most amazing things, and so I bought some beautiful stuff. This mirror, oh man, nothing more beautiful in the world. Man, so happy. Ladies and gents, you've made it to the final, what we have all been waiting for.